Hey, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can accept GIFs on TikTok or how you can enable GIFs on TikTok. Basically, let's say you make a video or you're on a live stream. You essentially want to get rewarded by your viewers by getting GIFs. And you probably don't have that enabled, so you're probably watching this video to get it enabled. So I'll teach you how to do that. It's very easy and quick. Now, first and foremost, go to the profile section of your TikTok account and then go to the top right hand corner, click the three lines, click TikTok Studio. Now, when you do that, you're going to want to head over to video GIFs and just go ahead and click that. Now you can see here's the option. It says right here, viewers can send GIFs on your eligible videos when feature is turned on. So all you gotta go ahead and do is just click turn on here, and then basically you are gonna have to reach a threshold of followers for this to actually be enabled on your account. You are gonna have to have at least 10,000 followers, and videos must pass safety moderation, be eligible for, have an account that's been whatever this says right here, but meet their age requirement, accounts not used by government politicians, and much more. So um, if you complete the criteria, then you are good. You can turn on GIFs for your top performing videos, but if you don't have it, you're gonna have to make sure that you get 10,000 followers. So hopefully that helps you out. Hopefully you are able to get the GIFs option on TikTok. Nonetheless, hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and I will see you all for the next